Hello, Palash. Welcome you here in South Korea in Midas IT. We are very glad to have you here. Can you tell us a bit about your experience into FEA analysis?
Okay. Allied as a company, we are primarily into the distribution and marketing as well as services of design softwares. We are partners of different multinational brands like ESI, PTC, and we have recently joined with Midas. So it's always a pleasure to work with you.
Can I ask you, how did you know Midas NFX and what made you choose Midas NFX?
As I said, Allied as a company, we are always looking out for strategic partnership with different CAD and CAE vendors. Till last year, we had a distribution agreement with Dassault SolidWorks, but again, we changed hands and we now moved into PTC. But we will always look out for a very high-end as well as an affordable kind of solutions in CAE softwares. And finally, we got in touch with Midas. We really wanted a product to address the SMB segment, so that which has got the product should be scalable. It should not just address the basic requirement of linear static. It should also have the capabilities like CFD and non-linear and explicit. But again, our major concern was a bit of cost, although we did not really want to compromise with the quality of the product, because SMBs, they are very, although they have little budgets, but again at the parallel they are very conscious about the technical capability of the software. We went through an evaluation process. We saw a couple of demos again by your team, and then we found out that yes, it is the right product that we are actually looking for, and yes, it can really work in the Indian market scenario.
Mm-hmm. So you chose it because it's efficiency at low cost, actually.
Exactly. I mean, it's definitely efficient. It has got mostly all the features that a typical CAE users would be looking for, and again, it is also, as I said, that it has got a scalability factor, and more and more features would be added. And today, I suppose your product can address a segment of the industries like automobile, material handling, electronics. But again, I suppose you will be adding new features so that aviation and defense can also be a part of our customer portfolio. Yes. So we always look forward for that. And I was here in Seoul not because not just only to take the training, but also to understand the company as a whole, the culture. The type of setup that you have, and I'm really amazed. Today, at this moment, I can tell you that I have not taken the wrong decisions.
Previously, you talked about the industry that could use NFX. Can you elaborate a bit? What kind of project or industry can take advantage of NFX?
Well, India is a very diversified market. We have almost all the domains of manufacturing in India. And I suppose at this moment, I think the best industries to touch is the automobile segment. May not be the OEMs, but at least the tier 1 and the tier 2 partners. Material handling is again a big base in India. And of course, we have other industries like sheet metal, castings, and electronics. So I think these are the initial targets of Allied.
Well, thank you very much, Palash, for this interview. We are very happy to have you here. I tell it once more. And we hope that we will be able to meet you directly in India next time.
Sure, and thank you, and have a nice day.